Hello, I'm Alan J, and welcome to the GCSE Maths Tutor channel. In this second tutorial, we'll be taking a look at adding surds. We'll start by adding like surds, and I'll show you then how we can simplify a mix of different surds. Adding surds is really easy, but to understand how to do it, you need to remember some elementary algebra. Say we have a chain of simple terms in X. To add them up, we first need to separately group all the positive terms together and all the negative ones. We then add the terms in each group until we have just two terms, one positive and the other negative. Adding these groups gives us the final answer. Look at this example. 3x minus 5x plus 9x minus 2x. Grouping positive terms and negative terms, we have 3x plus 9x and minus 5x minus 2x, and adding terms within each group, 3x plus 9x gives 12x, minus 5x minus 2x gives minus 7x, and finally our answer, 12x minus 7x gives 5x. Now adding like surds is no big thing. It is very similar. We just replace the x symbol with a square root term. Have a look at this surd example. Simplify 3 root 2 minus 5 root 2 plus 9 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Separately grouping positives and negatives gives 3 root 2 plus 9 root 2 and minus 5 root 2 plus minus 3 root 2, which simplifies to 3 root 2 plus 9 root 2 gives 12 root 2, and minus 5 root 2 plus minus 3 root 2 gives minus 8 root 2, and 12 root 2 minus 8 root 2 gives us our final answer, 4 root 2. Now we pose the question, how would we simplify a mix of different surds? The answer, of course, lies with our elementary algebra again. Remember how you simplify a chain of x, y and z terms. This example might jog your memory. Simplify 2x plus y plus 3z minus 2y plus x minus 4z. We first rearrange the terms into like groups. 2x plus x plus y minus 2y plus 3z minus 4z. Then within each group we add the positives and the negatives together. So we have 3x minus y minus z. Now with different surds, the number within the square root sign is different. So an expression containing three different surds might look like this. 2 root 2 plus 3 root 5 minus 3 root 3 minus root 2 minus 2 root 5 plus root 3. So grouping like surds, we have 2 root 2 minus root 2 plus root 3 minus 3 root 3 plus 3 root 5 minus 2 root 5, which boils down to 2 root 2 minus root 2 gives root 2, root 3 minus 3 root 3 gives minus 2 root 3, and 3 root 5 minus 2 root 5 gives root 5. Well, I do sincerely hope that this lesson on simple surd addition has helped you in some small way. And if you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate you giving the channel a like, favourite or a subscribe. Anyway, do look out for the next in the series. Lesson 3 is about reduction or simplifying surds by factorisation. And don't forget, any comments on the show, suggestions to make it better, or ideas for new videos are always welcome. Thank you all for watching.